Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a super easy and delicious bistec ranchero con papas. So in case you guys don't know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alright guys, so first we're going to begin by grabbing our skillet, set it at medium-high heat, add a little bit of oil, and allow it to heat up. Once hot, we're going to add half of a sliced onion, along with 2 chopped jalapenos. We're going to saute for a couple minutes. After 2 minutes, we're going to be adding 2 pounds of thin sliced flank steak. And we're just going to allow it to brown. After 5 minutes, we're going to add half a pound of golden potatoes. Along with half a teaspoon of ground cumin, garlic, salt, black pepper, and salt. We're just going to mix it. And we're also going to be adding 2 minced garlic cloves. So we're going to be cooking this for about 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, so after 7 minutes, all of the juice from our meat should have evaporated. So we're just going to give it a mix. We're going to be adding 4 Roma tomatoes. I'm also going to be adding 2 hatch peppers. They've already been roasted and peeled. So just mix it, give it a couple minutes. Okay, so once we mix that, at this point you can try your meat and see if you want to add any more salt. For me, it's perfect. So now we're going to be adding 1 small can of tomato sauce. I'm using the one with jalapeno, along with a 1/4 cup of water. And chopped cilantro. Just mix it. We're going to reduce the heat to medium-low. Cover it and allow it to cook for 5 minutes or until the potatoes are nice and soft. Alright guys, so after 5 minutes, we're going to check our potatoes. And let me tell you that it smells delicious. So just grab the biggest potato that you see. And check it, they're nice and soft. So now we can get ready to serve. And I'm going to be serving it with a side of beans, but of course you can enjoy it like that by itself. And my fresh flour tortillas, just like that. Alright guys, I'm just going to serve it with avocado and of course some queso fresco, and if I want it spicy, mi chile serrano. So just like that, now we are ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that this dish is honestly one of my favorites. It's super easy to make. It's perfect, you know, for those days that you just running out of time, you don't know what to cook. This is always my go-to. And of course, you know, you can use your favorite beef steak. For me, flank steak is just perfect. It's so tender and it's just the best. You know, you can always adjust it. If you don't want it spicy, then don't add the jalapenos and use regular tomato sauce. But for me, this is just perfect. Everybody enjoys it. So, and of course you can roll it, you know, and make it into burritos or just serve it like that. But I am so ready. The meat, my favorite. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much as we do. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, the best. It's so good, so flavorful, and the meat not dry, it's tender, it's the best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make a super easy and delicious bistec ranchero con papas. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.